Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video I'll be showing you a simple and very natural way you can prepare a hair conditioner that you can actually leave in on your hair, just like the leave-in hair conditioner that is being sold in stores and supermarkets. But this one is all natural, and the best part is you get to prepare it by yourself. So if this is your first time stopping by, click on the subscribe button below, turn on the notification bell if you haven't already, and if you find this video useful and helpful, please share it with your friends and loved ones, and if you like it, give us a huge thumbs up. The first ingredient we're needing for this simple remedy is tea tree oil. Tea tree oil contains antimicrobial, antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties, which is going to help treat your scalp of any itchiness or dandruff. If you have scalp inflammation or irritation, this tea tree oil is going to help sort all those problems for you. If your hair is already damaged due to too much chemicals from relaxers, conditioners, shampoos, this oil is going to help get rid of all damages on your head and your hair, and it's going to help promote the growth of your hair. It's going to keep your hair and scalp healthy. It's going to help repair the damage done to your hair. Coconut milk. Coconut milk is rich in so many vitamins and minerals. Coconut milk is rich in proteins. It's very nourishing for the scalp and hair. Coconut milk is going to help keep your hair soften. It's going to detangle your hair. It's going to condition your hair. It's going to help promote the growth of your hair, and it's going to keep your scalp very healthy and moisturized. Water is very essential for our growth. Not only on the inside, our hair also needs water to keep it hydrated and healthy. So let's get started with the preparation of this simple remedy. A quarter cup of water. This is a mug, so that's just about a quarter of the mug. So I'll add it to my mixing bowl. 1 tablespoon of a coconut milk, that's 1 tablespoon of the coconut milk. We need just about 10 drops of this tea tree oil. If you have lavender oil, you can use it as well. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's just about a tablespoon. So we'll just add that to our mixture. So we'll stir very well to completely combine. Here is our remedy. Our leave-in hair conditioner is ready. So for the application of this, you just go ahead and wash your hair as you usually do with your normal shampoo. Then you apply this on your scalp as your conditioner. You massage your scalp with this. Massage for about 10 minutes, and you allow it to sit on you to completely dry. Actually, you don't have to wash this off. You just allow it on your hair till it's dry, preferably natural dryness, not with the dryer or hand dryer or the other dryer. Just natural dry, like air dry. You air dry your hair the natural way. A fan will be better. So just allow this on your scalp. No need to wash it off. You repeat this twice in a week for about 2 to 3 weeks. You discover that your hair has been repaired of all the damage. You discover that there is no more itching on your scalp and the dandruff is completely gone, and you realize a thicker and longer hair at the end of this remedy. So guys, this is it. As for the remains of this remedy, you can just store this in your fridge for about 14 days at most. 14 days, not more than 14 days. So guys, do try this at home and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you found this video interesting and useful, share it with your friends and loved ones. If you like it, give us a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload new and very interesting, useful videos like this on this channel. To my next video, I'll see you all very soon.